How a simple traffic stop turned into this.
Hands up! Do it now!
Speed through 60 miles an hour to 45. Traffic's light. We're continuing past target. Speed's 45 and 30. Pull over! It's not worth it. Just pull over. He stopped at the red light. We're proceeding through the green light. No indication he has any intention of pulling over for me. Looks like we're finally pulling over at Williams and Interchange North.
Put your hands up! It's the Waterford County Sheriff's Office. You're fleeing and eluding. You're not free to go. Put your hands up. Do it now. You in the red Civic, hands up. Put the windows down so I can see you. Do it now. You're not free to go. You're under arrest. You're considered armed and dangerous. Put your windows down. Do it now. Turn the music down so you can hear me. You in the red Civic. You're under arrest at the Waterford County Sheriff's Office. Still want a gunpoint. No acknowledgement from the vehicle. He's jamming out to his music. We don't want to hurt you, Skylar. Talk to us.
Sorry, Kathy, just pretty sure my partner's on the phone with Skylar trying to get him to roll the window down.
Copy. Request to one of our K9 if there's any other K9 that county available.
Roll down the window.
Hey, I got your window down. I appreciate that, Skylar. Can we talk? I can't hear you very well if you're talking to us. I appreciate your cooperation. Would you mind getting out of the car so I can talk?
565, on your right.
Gotcha, I'm with you.
Skylar, I appreciate your cooperation so far. Again, we don't want to hurt you. I understand you're late for work. We can work through that. Skylar, you have to listen to us, please. Obviously, things have escalated now with your intent to flee from us. You are under arrest. You are not free to go. We do not want you to get hurt. Please exit the vehicle. Skylar, it's the Waterford County Sheriff's Office K9 unit. If you do not start to comply, there's a potential you may be bit by the dog. You need to step out of the vehicle with your hands up, facing away from us. If you do not comply, you may be bit by the K9. Hold on, I got a window punch too. Guarantee your safety. Ready? Got me.
Got her. Just keep the window down, buddy. Just keep the window down. You gonna comply or not? You gonna comply or not? Show me your hands. It's your final warning. Boom.
Just so you know, the wind's coming back towards us, so the wind is kind of misting this way.
Keep on back.
Skylar, talk to me, man. I want to see your hands. We don't want to hurt you. We have a dog present here, buddy. We don't want to bite you. If you fail to comply, you will get dog bit.
Give your warning, sir.
Skylar, this is your final warning. If you do not come out of the car, you're going to get dog bit. The only action you can do to not get dog bit right now is to step out of the car. You're going to get dog bit. This is your last warning. You're under arrest. Open the door.
Okay, he's coming out. Go ahead, sir. Step out.
Skylar, step out of the car.
All right.
You're under arrest. You are not free to go.
Let's go. Melissa's hands. You're gonna get dog bit. Step out of the fucking car.
Out of the car.
You're gonna get dog bit. Step out of the car.
I'd rather be shot.
Step out of the car. Hold on, girl. All the way around.
Down. Down on the ground.
I'm down. Holy shit. This is not a present.
this video. Yo, chill.
I got it.
All right, he's good. To the side. Oh, at least take me to dinner before you me. God damn. I was just talking about how I feel bad for the people getting right now. Now y'all doing it to me. This is crazy.
Tell me about it. You're looking at a speeding ticket before.
There's my window on the ground.
You have a preference for a tow for your vehicle?
A preference for a what?
Tow truck.
A tow truck? Yeah, call my boss. We got a tow truck.
Go to roll towards me.
God damn. My girl don't even touch me like that.
We're gonna sit you up on your butt. We're gonna stand you up to your feet.
Will clear my lungs too?
2, 3.
You had every opportunity to comply.
Yeah, well now I can tell my boss I was arrested, and that's one not a,
Yep.
that's one hell of an excuse, I'll tell you that.
Watch your head, watch your knees.
Yo, oink.
Look to the left.
Hell yeah.
You're not injured, is that correct?
My lungs feel damaged,
Okay.
but
Do you need a rescue squad?
yeah.
You want a rescue squad?
Yeah.
Okay.
My lungs
If you would like
feel
a rescue
crazy.
squad, please. He's having difficulty breathing from the OC.
I seem to be handling it better than y'all. Y'all motherfuckers coughing still. And I was in the car with it.
So as I explained from the get-go, you're under arrest.
Okay. Y'all gonna pay for the glass y'all broke on my car?
Nope.
Hell yeah, you will.
Over this way, bud. Here.
Help me, help me. They're trying to molest me. I gave you the opportunity to approach my vehicle with my window rolled down.
Once you fail to comply,
When they search that car and they find nothing but a drill, some channel locks, everything in my tool bag, my wrench set, and a snow brush, and like a bottle of water and a can of Red Bull, you're gonna feel real goofy when you find out that you could have approached that vehicle all alone. There ain't even a knife in that car. There ain't even nothing that could be used as a weapon unless I was mentally deranged.
and here's the interesting thing. Had you stopped when I first activated my lights, I would have approached your car. No problem. But when you don't stop for
I had to
somebody
get as
else,
close as I could get to work. So
that doesn't make any sense.
yes, it does.
Why do you have to get closer to your work?
Because if I'm only a block over, my boss could see that I'm not lying to him. I'm actually being stopped by cops, and I have nothing. I have no control over that.
It just doesn't make any sense to me. Morning.
I have the psych ward. I'm mentally deranged. There ain't even nothing that could be used as a weapon unless I was mentally deranged. Y'all got a psych ward here?
Not here.
Would a psych ward overrule jail? Because I'm pretty crazy. I got lung damage from the grenade that they lobbed in my car.
He was OC, aerosol OC, pepper spray.
Yeah, I handled it better than the cops, though. They were coughing for a while. Do I get a nice little jacket that keeps my arms like Yoda? Yeah, there we go. Or what?
You back.
Wow.
You back.
This feels like excessive force, officer.
No, you say you're gonna use your boots to hurt yourself, so I'm gonna take your boots from you.
And take the handcuffs off?
No.
You trying to break my toe, dog? These dogs barking.
No.
Can I have water?
No. No.
Golly, bro.
You back.
No.
Go. Back up.
I want water.
Back up. No, you
I
want
want
to
water. I want water. Is anyone watching this?
Yes.
This is definitely excessive force. Can I get some water?
You could drown yourself with water.
Oh my God, dog.
You're suicidal, dude.
I'm about to be homicidal.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You see this hole behind these eyes? I'm trying to adjust the handcuffs, bro. They're hurting me. They're committing suicide on me.
There's a process taking place at the moment.
Oh, God damn. This is how we treat people? Man, I hope all three of you go through the exact same fucking scenario. The golden rule, treat people how you want to be treated. And I hope you have 5 dudes pointing guns at your head the same way I did earlier. Except this time I hope they pull the fucking trigger. And I hope you're fucking punished for your actions.
In addition to his speeding ticket, Skyler was charged with fleeing an officer. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.